Hi guys, and welcome back to Life's Sweet Journey. On the road, one adventure at a time. Join us for a little blunder we did to ourselves as we tried to rewire the brake cable back onto the RV. Basically, the cable got stuck in the squares and ripped off, causing the plug to completely rip away from the camper. And so now we're left trying to figure out how to rewire the 7 plug back onto the camper so that we can use our brake lights so that the truck will power the RV as we're driving down the road. We were having a hard time verifying which wires from the plug connected with which wires from the box in the RV. Luckily, I was able to find our booklet on all of the electrical wiring for the RV. Definitely recommend keeping all pamphlets for anything that runs anything on your rig. Once we verified everything, he got to work connecting the wires. It is basically a game of color matching. You're going to do black to black, then there's green and a light green, so green to light green, blue to light blue, red to red, brown to brown, and white to white. You'll have quite a few whites together. Because it had hit the metal when the plug got ripped out, some of the metal wiring was exposed, so we just used some electrical tape to fix those spots. We then recapped all of the exposed wiring ends. You definitely want to use the biggest, for us it was a blue cap, on the white wire group. You will have a mix of medium and small caps. Ultimately, you just want to make sure that everything is covered and secure. Our particular setup, we had the large cap on the white wires, the medium on the blue, the black and the green, and then the small caps on the red and the brown. Once we had everything connected and the exposed wires covered, it was time to test the brake lights, and they were working. Seeing the lights work was a beautiful feeling, but we were still worried about everything inside, so we did a test on the fridge, and that worked as well. The next thing to figure out was how to secure the box into the RV. We could not remember how it had been set up in there. The first step was to make sure the plug, where the black wire covers all the smaller wires, was safely secure inside the box. So we got that stuck up inside and tightened the screws on the metal hold so that the black wire was fully inside the box. From that point, we actually went around and looked at the way some of the other fifth wheels had their box set up inside the hitch, and it just really seemed as long as it was safely secured, you were fine. So we found a good spot for it and just used the screws that we had to screw the box into the RV. And now we're all set up and ready to get back on the road. If you found this video helpful, we would love it if you would give it a big thumbs up and click subscribe. Thanks, and enjoy the journey.